Kali Linux is designed specifically for penetration testing and digital forensics, while Ubuntu is a general-purpose operating system known for its ease of use and versatility. Kali Linux is targeted at security professionals and ethical hackers, whereas Ubuntu is suitable for a wide range of users, from beginners to experienced developers. Kali Linux comes with numerous pre-installed security and penetration testing tools, while Ubuntu offers a standard set of applications for everyday use. Kali Linux is undoubtedly the best choice for ethical hacking. It is specifically tailored for security-related tasks, with tools like nmap, Metasploit, Wireshark, and many more pre-installed and ready to use. When considering the pros and cons, Kali Linux has a comprehensive suite of security tools, a rolling release that ensures up-to-date software, and is optimized for security testing. However, it is not user-friendly for beginners, can be overkill for general-purpose use, and may require more system resources. On the other hand, Ubuntu is user-friendly and beginner-friendly, has a large community and extensive support, and is versatile for various uses, including desktop, server, and cloud. The downsides are that it is not specialized for security testing, requires additional setup for ethical hacking tools, and may not include the latest security tools by default. In terms of features, Kali Linux includes pre-installed security tools like nmap and Metasploit, a custom kernel optimized for security, and support for ARM architecture. Ubuntu offers a user-friendly GNOME desktop environment, access to a vast software repository, and long-term support releases for stability. In conclusion, choose Kali Linux if you are a security professional, ethical hacker, or cybersecurity student looking for a specialized environment with pre-installed tools for penetration testing and digital forensics. Choose Ubuntu if you need a versatile, user-friendly operating system for general use, development, or server deployment. You can still set up ethical hacking tools on Ubuntu, but it will require some additional configuration.